Hi friends, this is Rebecca. This is one of our 3-month-old chickens, and when I was feeding and watering this morning, I realized that she is presenting with Rhineck.
Hi, sweetheart.
And according to Google, Rhineck is a vitamin and mineral deficiency, usually vitamin E and selenium.
Isn't she sweet? She's so sweet, and she talks to me through the whole video.
So how could I tell she had Rhineck? First of all, I've had a chicken who had this before. Second of all, she has very little control over her neck, and it ends up down between her feet, and she does little flips. And because she can't control her neck, she has difficulty eating and drinking. So what I'm doing right now is I am trying to support her neck so she can eat. And this is just raw egg yolk, along with a tablet of vitamin E where I've squished out the oil and a little bit of Nutri-Drench. Egg yolk is super nutritious and has a high water content, and they love it. It's like chicken candy.
Yummy.
I find that it's much easier to get food into them if it's smothered in egg yolk. You'll hear her make this little trilling noise, and I am pretty sure that that is just a noise of happiness and contentment. So she just appears to me to be really hungry, and she's really enjoying this meal. I've heard this trilling noise in the chickens when they are settling down at night to go to sleep. And of course, we still have chicks in the bedroom, and we love this noise. It is just the cutest thing. So you'll see throughout the video that I have egg yolk in the spoon to start, and when I realized she
I
loved it so much,
know.
I'm
Is that
adding
yummy?
some chick mash. And all it is her chick food, which is highly nutritious in itself, and I've just keep putting some into the egg yolk. I want to get a little bit more substance into her, and of course there's more vitamins in it. So slowly you'll see more and more. And then you'll see at one point where I put too much mash on the top, so she wasn't getting any egg yolk. And she definitely noticed and was not happy about it. So again, my hand is there to kind of support her, and I am trying to put the spoon where it appears to be easier for her to get to it. And you'll see that I try to determine where that is, so you'll see me move around a little bit more. And you can see this is kind of a messy process. By the time we get to the end of this video, I'm pretty much covered and she's covered with egg yolk. So be prepared. And watch how she starts losing control of her neck. It almost looks like she's having a seizure. She's definitely still hungry. This is a really good sign, though. Here's the spoonful where there was too much mash. Watch her reaction.
Doesn't taste like eggs, Mama.
Now watch when I put the egg yolk on top.
There we go.
Now I'm massaging her crop, which is where her food is stored and ground up before it goes to her stomach. And normally it can feel like a golf ball when a chicken has eaten. Hers does not. It's a little squishy, but at least she's got something in there.
About enough? Okay. Okay, good girl. Let's see if we can clean you up a little.
She has definitely given me the sign that she's had enough, so I'm just going to follow her lead. Now I'm just going to clean her and me up and try to get some of the egg yolk off because, of course, if I allow it to dry, it's just going to become glue. And then I'm going to put her in a nice, dark, quiet space so that she can just relax and heal. I have one of my brooder bins set up in the bathroom, and it's the perfect spot for her. And I will check her every 1 to 2 hours, and we will do this whole process again. I'm also going to start adding a little bit more water to it. Even though the egg yolk has a water content, I feel like she's going to need more than a chick would. Because, of course, a chick can survive on just egg yolk for 3 days. But I want, because she's bigger, I want to give her a little bit more.
Oh, honey. I know. You're okay. I'm sorry. You okay? I'm sorry.
Please like this video if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.
All right. Let Mama. All right. I know. All right. Come on.